Come on, Grandma, let's see your skills.
Alright, see? You sit out there with the two dogs, so that's why we're sitting here. Come on. Hi, Ty.
Can't you believe lion is bigger than them?
That wasn't a pee. I saw two gerbils come in.
Come and say hi. Hello? How you doing? Come on.
Right here. Alright. He puts the dogs in, we'll let him run with Tyson a little bit.
The dog's next door, dude.
Let me go check. I guess it's just at least if we're standing up there, we can grab them, so I'll just be prepared. Right here. Hey, hey, hey! Right.
Lion!
Lion!
Hi!
Come on! Come on!
You wanna get bit? Hi! Better move your ass.
Good boy.
Look at that. Now that's my grandma child. What do you say, Grammy? That's your reason. Go on, Tyson, go play with them. Go play with them, Tyson. Go get them.
Right here. Branches down. Tyson. Come on. He runs a little bit. Maybe he'll poop. Just had supper. Tyson.
No dry humping, dude. Y'all are both guys. That's gay.
Tyson.
Tyson!
Hey!
Hey!
Stop. Honey.
Hey! Calm down. Good. Hey, chill out a little bit. Hey. Hey. Oh, calm down. Calm down a little bit. Calm down, okay?
Tyson. Picture. Knows how to hit the button.
Do you not? It's normal. You can't say no to that. It's normal.
That's constant.
Well, maybe they like smelling each other's bum holes. It's the way, it's the circle of life. It's Mother Nature. Thank you, God. Oh, sin Dios. Got my new haircut, y'all. Poppy cut the whole front. As y'all can see from my old videos,
Okay.
I had a frontal area. But our dogs seem to like each other. Come on, Tessa. No, I'm going with him, ready? Now look at this. He likes the yard, Grandma.